Now, a lot of our famous actors and celebrities that we know and love today got their start right here at Universal Studios. In fact, some of them got their inspiration by sitting in the very seats you're sitting in right now. That's right. They took this tour and said, you know what? I want to be part of the magic.
That tour so many times since I was a kid, and I just love it every time.
The first time I ever went on the Universal lot, we did the tour.
I grew up in Los Angeles, and that was like the go and see Jaws.
I got my introduction to Universal Studios through the tour, and so then to be in the movies and seeing the trams drive by, it's very overwhelming.
One of the coolest things actually about shooting for Universal is sometimes you get to shoot on the lot, and then you look over and it's like there's Jaws, or like there's the flash flood, and all those trams are it's the coolest thing ever.
1979. Back then, tram drivers were kind of a little reckless and crazy. There was no restriction on cars going anywhere. We used to drive all over and kind of duel with them back and forth.
I have so many amazing memories of the lot when we were shooting Back to the Future.
Here brings me back in time, I'll tell you that.
The tram would come, the tourists would see Michael J. Fox taking their camera, snap, snap, snap. So one day, Michael J. Fox had his own camera, and every time the tourists were snapping their pictures, he ran out and he started taking pictures.
Now, director Jackson got his inspiration from the very first King Kong movie.
It's the original King Kong that made me want to direct movies. I saw that movie on TV when I was about 8 or 9 years old, and I wanted to become a filmmaker. I like films that just take you away from your real life and sweep. Kong literally does it. I mean, you're on board the ship, you're to a lost island, you're on